What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another 2-minute lawn tip. Today, as you can tell, changing location. We are not in the studio. Once again, we are out here on the field. I'm at my grandmother's house today. We're going to be spraying some fertilizer, spraying weed control, you name it. And I figured this would be a great opportunity to stop for 2 minutes and talk about fall weed control, because ever since I did the video a couple of weeks ago called Fix Your Crappy Lawn for the Fall, I've been getting a lot of questions with regards to fall weed control because I did not mention that in the video. It's not something that I would typically promote, as most of the people I'm talking to don't really have much of a weed problem. They're just looking to thicken the overall state of their lawn. But for those who are dealing with lawn weeds, like maybe you have some super mature crabgrass, some dandelions, you name it, stuff that's been sticking around from the spring, you literally haven't done anything all year, you want to know what the best weed control is for that, my friend, is going to be today. So when it comes to spraying fall weeds, you need to go ahead and evaluate what it is you're doing, right? You need to look at, are you seeding, are you not seeding, and if you are seeding, when are you going to seed? And you need to make sure that the weed control that you're going to use is not going to affect your seed, because one of the most common things that will happen if you spray just any weed control down at a certain point in your seeding, maybe it's not the right time, you can actually do some detrimental damage to your seed. You can actually kill it, right? That's not something that you want to do. So if you are seeding and you do want to use a weed control, I highly recommend this product right here. This product right here, this is Mezzo 4C Select, aka Mezzotrione Tenacity. This is a great all-around weed control that you can use to spray weeds in your lawn that will not harm your seed. Now, there are restrictions with this. You do not want to use this again until a certain point after germination, but for those who want to spray on the day of seeding, like literally after you drop your seed, you want to spray some weeds, this is going to be the weed control for you. Now, keep in mind, it's not as potent as a regular weed control like 2,4-D or Conchloric, so you have to be a little bit patient with it, and by the time you get to the 4th week of seed establishment, you might have to come back and do a follow-up application with this, as again, it's a little more slower acting and gentle, and I think most of that might have to do with the fact that you are spraying some weeds. Now, for those who want some application rates, I'll leave all of that information here on the screen for those who want to check that out. So there you go, guys, short and sweet. This is the weed control you want to use if you're seeding. It will control almost every weed you're dealing with, again, within 2 applications, 3 weeks apart from each other. You'll be set. If you have any additional questions or comments, please leave those down below as well, and I will get back to those as soon as I can. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, your lawn is going to be dominated. How should I close this out? You know, I always do the hand. I want to change it up a little bit. I know. Black coffee out of a black cup. It works. See you in the next video.